If you recently had this error message pop up when trying to use Analog Lab, whether it be on standalone or together with your DAW, for example Ableton FL Studio, here's a quick little way on how to fix this. The first thing you want to do is head to this website. This is a website for the Keylab MK3, but I'm pretty sure this should work for every keyboard by Arturia. And if the link doesn't fully work in the description, you'll have to copy this from the video. I'm very sorry about this, but YouTube can be weird about this. What you'll now want to do is go to Analog Lab standalone integration and head down here to this link. Then click on it to install the newest MIDI driver version. You might have an older version of the MIDI driver installed, but if you don't have a version about 1.4.0 or newer, it still won't work. Now to install it, the newest version, we'll click on download the MCC. Here a little download will start, and when it's finished, you can just click on it and start download. Here we'll have to click accept agreement, and I'm pretty sure we can just skip through this. Everything should be working perfectly fine. If you don't change anything, it should be working. Then the next thing we want to do for the next step is close any applications that might be connected to your Arturia keyboard, as it says here. For example, your DAW, so Ableton FL Studio or others, and any VCT, any standalone VCTs, so for example Analog Lab. And then we can just click on install, and this should pretty much be it. After this is installed, you should be up and running. Just click finish here and be ready to use your Analog Lab plugin, standalone or together with your DAW, without any complications that might occur with your keyboard. If this tutorial helped you, I'd be happy if you left a like or wrote a comment. And if it didn't fully help you, you can also just write a comment and tell me your problem. I've tried to find a way to fix this. And if you have any further problems, you can also just write a comment, and I'll try to answer the comments and or make a separate video about them. So again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.